Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Auswide bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Auswide bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address auswidebank.com.au like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Auswide Bank. You can see. And now to log into your Auswide bank account, from over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the login button available for us. Now in order to log in, we'll be required to click on that login button, so let's do it. And over here guys, you can either log into your credit card account or your internet banking account. We'll be going to the internet banking account like this. And over here guys, you can see there is a login panel available for us. We'll be required to enter our client number, and of that our access code. But if you have not yet created an account on registered for Auswide bank account, you can always register a bank account on Auswide from over here where it says the register now. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to sign up for an Auswide bank. With that being said, after entering your client number and your access code, but if you have forgotten your access code, you can always retrieve or reset your access code from over here where it says the forgot your access code. If you click over there, you'll be taken to a procedure where you can reset or retrieve your Auswide bank account access code. With that being said guys, after entering your client number and your access code, just simply click on login, and then you'll be logged into your Auswide bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.